Alright guys, so here's something I wasn't expecting to get today. Um, it's, as you can see, a pretty big box, so I'm going to try my best, but um, it's got, there's two models in here. One is one I've been very excited to get, and the other one is pretty cool too. But um, I got these from 320DLRR or Keegan, which I've gotten quite a bit of stuff from in the past, so it's pretty good to work with. Try and keep this all. But as I mentioned, I wasn't expecting this today because it was returned to him because there's some mix up or whatever, and it was returned to his address. So I did get it somehow. He must have shipped it right today, so, or recently, but I'll try and get this all out. Okay, here's one. And two. Make sure nothing else is in here. Okay, that's that. We'll open this one first. As you can see, it's the Freightliner Century class in ATS that I already have two, but this one's a little bit different, and you'll see why very shortly. Okay, so tractor. It's pretty much. I'll just leave them in here for right now. But here's what's. Oh, that looks sweet. I had him take the toolboxes off and put the axles together. I think it looks very nice. I like that a lot, actually. Here's the toolboxes. Just put those off the side. I guess I'll take both right now. That's all. Okay. Make sure I didn't forget anything in there. Okay, and we'll put this off to the side, I guess. Here's the other one. It's a Matt Granite 4-axle with the Dodgers with the lowboy. I was very excited when he actually had this. Oh, I had this for sale. I done it right away, and it was a good deal too, so couldn't pass it up. Oh wow, that is very nice. There's the deck boards, the gooseneck looks very nice. The lowboy. Very excited to have one of these finally. Looks very nice. There. Here's all the fenders and everything that go on the tractor. The mirrors. And last but certainly not least. Wow. That is very nice. Really happy with that. Okay, make sure. I think we got everything out. Okay, so kind of use them, put them up, give you a better look at them, but. I'll put it all together once get to it, but there it is. Very nice unboxing and very happy with this. So thanks again for Keegan or 320 DLR. Really appreciate it. Great guy to work with. So yeah, there'll surely be a review of the Mack and Rogers. Could make one of the ATS, but I already have one of the tractor, so not sure. If you guys want one, let me know. But that's pretty much it. So hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and thanks for watching.